Feels like a strange kind of day. The rain just won't go away. The raindrops dance in the air, softly falling everywhere. The sky is darker, calm and low, gently feeding earth below. She needs the rain to feel alive. It gives itself so she can thrive. To dance after the rain, filled with hope inside my chest. Awake again, released from rest. To dance after the rain. Today I'm free at last. No useless rules, no chains. No useless rules, no chains. Empty streets so still and quiet, holding breath in silent ride. Raindrops falling, setting time, building up a steady rhyme, washing dust and pain away, carrying it far astray. The earth breathes deep, the air is light, everything just feels so right. Dance after the rain, filled with hope inside my chest. Awake again, released from rest. To dance after the rain. Today I'm free at last. No useless rules, no chains. No useless rules, no chains. Scent of rain that fills the air, drifting softly everywhere. Wind is carrying along fallen leaves where they belong. Streams awaken, rivers grow, flowing freely, letting go. They bring us hope, they bring us dreams. Nothing's ever what it seems. Dance after the rain, filled with hope inside my chest. Awake again, released from rest. To dance after the rain. Today I'm free at last. No useless rules, no chains. Da 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 da. Dance after the rain. Head held high, arms open wide, breathing easy, dust is gone. I will dance and carry on. I am free, I dance my way. No one else decides my day. Dance after the rain, filled with hope inside my chest. Awake again, released from rest. To dance after the rain. Today I'm free at last. No useless rules, no chains.